morning, good morning. Today is a very, very special day. We're driving to Denver today. Completely spur of the moment. Just a couple of days ago, I was like, man, I really want to see snow before winter ends. And I mean, I love Denver and why not, you know? So yep, headed on another road trip. I believe it's about a little over 1,000 miles to get there. And then of course 1,000 miles back. But so yeah, I'm doing it. We're on a mission to see snow. I can't wait to fly my drone, get some really cool video and stuff of Denver, the mountains. And yeah, so you're coming with me. Let's get breakfast and get on the road. We're in Denton, Texas. Woo! It's cold out there. Next stop, Oklahoma. We are in Ardmore, Oklahoma. Ooh-wee! It's getting colder out there. It's about 47 now. I'm gonna have to make it to Wichita. Right now, I feel like I can make it. I'm gonna try to make it. It's 7:15. We've got to get up and get ready and get the heck out of the door. So that way we can make it to Denver before it freezes. Shower, pack up, coffee. Let's go. First stop of the day, Salina. Where am I? Kansas? We're not in Kansas anymore, Toto. Woo! It's cold. It's cold, it's cold, it's cold. You know, I'm sitting here thinking, do any of you guys, whenever you're traveling, not book your place to stay until the day of, like me? If it looks like I'm wearing the same clothes as yesterday, yes, you are correct. However, my undergarments have changed. And I'm wearing a different shirt under my hoodie. Hays, Kansas. And it is so windy over here, it's crazy. Whew. Cold out there. Colby, Kansas, here we go. Good morning, or almost afternoon. Denver. There's snow everywhere, and there's ice everywhere. I really, really want to get the very last sunset of 2019 somewhere that would have great views here in Denver. And then I want to get, which it's hopeful, but I want to get the first sunrise of 2020. But that's going to be me getting up super early. So I think I could do it, but let's go. That's a lot of snow. All right, breakfast on Broadway. So we ate breakfast, and I decided to go to this inspirational park. It's one of the top 5 places for scenic views here in Denver. But we'll go from there. So we got about 1 minute until we get to the inspirational park and do some walking around. Now I know why they call it Inspirational Park. All right, we're gonna check out the park some, see where the best place to fly this drone is. Pretty neat to see snow. But we're on a mission, so we need to charge the car and charge the battery in the drone so that way we can get a really, really cool sunset from here tonight. So I know we've only got a few hours left, so let's do it. We found a place to charge. Looks like we're gonna be able to make it. We did it. We made it, barely. See the sunset by that back there? We got disturbed by a helicopter. I was flying about 400 feet and the helicopter was flying below that. So I had to interrupt my time lapse and yeah, get the drone down below altitude. But that's what happens, and as long as you're aware and know what's going on, then you can make adjustments. So, self-awareness. Oh, good morning. It is 6:42 a.m. and we're on a mission to get the first sunrise of 2020. So I'm tired, went to bed before midnight last night, so I didn't celebrate New Year's, but that was my way of celebrating New Year's. I didn't want to do the whole party scene. I didn't want to do, I just kind of wanted to take myself out of the equation and focus on me and do what I want to do and what I'm passionate about. So we are here in Denver, seeing snow and mountains and catching the last sunrise, the last sunset of 2019 and the first sunrise of 2020. Let's go do it. Well, we somewhat made it. It's technically not the time for sunrise yet. Sunrise is set for 7:21, but as you can see, there's some pretty colors going on back there. But I'm on the way to the point. Actually, I'm not sure that's gonna be the best spot. Let me check this place out real quick. Well, we did it. We did it. It's cold. I want to go back to the car, but I'm gonna walk out to Inspiration Point where we were yesterday, just to kind of check out the mountains and see the sun kind of spill over them. Happy New Year. Got to see the last sunset of 2019 and the first sunrise of 2020. It is 8:35 a.m. on this beautiful Thursday morning in Denver, Colorado. Snow, as you can see, on the ground still. Man, I love this city. I like the cold. I like the snow. And the mountains, well, I think that's self-explanatory. I really would rather stay another day or two. That's it for now. Until next time.